Apparently I'm very upset with someone subconsciously. I don't know who that might be. Yeah. Hi there guys, welcome back to my little YouTube channel. So, for today's video, it's gonna be a very interesting one because I got extremely intoxicated one night and decided to place an Amazon order. And this is what I ordered. And half of the stuff I kind of know what it is and some of it I don't, but a lot of it showed up. So I thought we would open it together. Yeah, this is the crazy stuff that I buy apparently when I'm drunk. Let's go through it. So the first thing that came in was this book. This came in like a day or two ago, but I already opened it, so this is the book. It is Death and Destruction: How to Cast Magic Spells for Vengeance and Harm. Apparently I'm very upset with someone subconsciously. I don't know who that might be. But so this was the first thing that, it's like 62 pages. I've read a couple of things in here and definitely have some things that I want to try. There is that, that's the first thing. The next thing that came, this was actually a surprise, I didn't know that this was coming. This is a package from one of Matt's co-workers. He ordered some stuff for me. So the package came with these little stickers from, I'm guessing from, it's the Demon Slayer anime. I don't watch it. I've heard it's very good, so I might watch it. But I got little stickers, and there's just a little, it's a little thank you thing that she wrote. And so we're gonna go through all the stuff that he got for me. I don't know if he bought this while he was intoxicated. I don't think so. But you know what? I'm just unpackaging a bunch of random stuff in this video. In here we have, and this is all scrunchies. So if you like scrunchies, then keep on watching. So we have, they're all like, it feels like a cotton material. Looks like this one is Star Wars. It's like a little Star Wars pattern. Polka dot pattern. We have another Star Wars one. This one's like black and white. Got a good little stretch on them, like that. Here is a Mickey one. I like that one. It's a good one. It's a good size, you know. They're not like too big. They're not too small. Can go put one on my bun. I like that. Halloweeny ones. We got like little ghosties with some pumpkins. This one looks like it's like ice cream. Ice cream cones and sprinkles. This is another Halloween one, like some candy corn. I really like this one. I'm actually gonna switch I'm gonna switch Mickey out for candy corn. Cute. It's like a little mini one. This looks like Marvel. It's like, it has like Iron Man, Captain America, Avengers. This is like a, we'll call it like a normal size scrunchie. Then we got a, this is watermelon. Watermelon scrunchie. Oh, this one's fancy. It's like a velvety material. And this looks like it's like a dark blue or a dark purple, I think. But it looks black on camera. It's not black. It's definitely like a navy or like a blue. We have this big sparkly purple one. That one's really cool. Oh, this one's cute. This little Toy Story. Toy Story one. Ooh, this one's pretty. This one's a blue one. Got a little blue like galaxy. It's cute. It's another Halloweeny one. It's like little bats. We have this black and pink flower, like floral. Have this like splotchy painted one. This is all that is in this package. Let's go ahead and open the rest of these, shall we? This is the next package. It says it's 4 pounds. This is Black Magic Book of Shadows. I haven't mentioned it before, I am a practicing pagan. I do like my spell books, but I'm really, really angry at someone. And I angry bought a bunch of black magic books. So that's fun. I do a video where I do some of, or I show you how to do some of the spells in them. I haven't decided yet. Where's my box cutter? So this is the next package. This one's pretty heavy. It sounds like there's a lot of stuff in here. So we have this book. It's called Utterly Wicked. Actually, someone recommended this book for me. I feel like the whole reason I went on there in the first place was to get this book specifically, and then I just kind of went crazy with a lot of books. I do, again, I really like books. This is one of the books I got, Utterly Wicked. It's supposed to be, it is hexes, curses, and other unsavory notions. So, the next one, another book. Wow, shocker. This is The Little Book of Curses and Maledictions for Everyday Use. My next book that I got is Practical Magic, A Beginner's Guide to Crystals, Horoscopes, Psychics, and Spells. There's that. It's a pretty piece of stuff. That you see. What about this one? Since it has a lot of like basic stuff. It looks like I also got some pens. No need to write all this stuff down, so good thing. And they're clicky pens too. And it's like another book. This is The Complete Grimoire, a magical practices and spells to awaken your inner witch. So that's this one. And I think this one, I kind of like the illustration for this one. So I'm excited to read this one. So there's that. Page in there. Actually, I think I know what this is. That's the best way to open this. Oh, I know. Yeah, I totally know what this is. Wax seal. So one thing I like to do in my Book of Shadows is I like sealing everything. So this is a removable wax seal. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see what, make sure it's straight. See what the picture is. It is a picture of a bird on a branch. I was told that the aura that I give off is very, basically like the animal that I give off is like a raven or like crows or like big birds like that. So I usually typically gravitate towards birds. So that's why I guess I got a bird on a branch wax seal. So, oh, and look, I got something for Matt. It's a, oh, this is called a wallet ninja. So it is something, I guess, that you, well, I don't guess, I'm pretty sure you put this in your wallet. And it's like a bunch of like things. So you got like a bottle opener, screwdriver, a can opener, a peeler, and yeah, this is obviously a bottle opener. So like, I think I got this for him because I don't want this. So there you go. There you go. Of course, we got another book. This is just Witchcraft, a handbook of magic spells and potions. So definitely apparently trying to grow my book collection. I like the spine. It's like raised. Now, that is all that is in this box. There was one more box, and I feel like I know which one this is. It is a big, long box like this. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. So there's paper. I have no idea how to play the ukulele, but so probably I'm going to teach myself how to play the ukulele. Never have played an instrument like this in my life. Looks like it comes with a little case. Is that how this works? a blue ukulele. That was apparently all of, I don't think it's all of the things that I bought. Are these little stickers, which I think are absolutely adorable. So those are supposed to be coming. So Mickey nose stud. So apparently when I get extremely intoxicated, I buy ukuleles and a lot of magic books. Anywho, so this is this week's video. I hope that you enjoyed going through all of the random things that I bought. I'm gonna learn how to play the ukulele now. So anyway guys, that is it for the video. If you did enjoy this, make sure you head on down below, hit that big red subscribe button so that I know to continue making content just like this one. Thank you again so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!